Ani oliake. Gawiemoi komeye. Nije wiemoi kokrome amli alo. Nene obaakwe wiemoi ne ekome. Me wiemoi potemni ameje. Did you know that the Ga language has borrowed words from other languages? In today's lesson, we will be looking at some of these borrowed words and the languages they come from. We will be looking at the etymology of some Ga words. Are you ready? Ofe klalo alo. Be wateko. Akpono. Gameke. Akpono. Alo akplono. Ani oleake. Akpono. Eje okɛɛ shiblofo wiemo niji pao. Did you know that the etymology of the Ga word akpono or akplono is Portuguese from pão? Alewa. Alewa. Ani oleake. Alewa. Ishishije Hausa wiemo niji Alewa lo. Did you know that the etymology of the Ga word Alewa, candy, is Hausa from Alewa? Alewa. Aligidon. Aligidon. Blofoke. Cotton. Ani oleake. Aligidon. Eshishije. Okɛɛ shiblofo wiemo niji algodel lo. Did you know that the etymology of the Ga word aligidon is Arabic, but it likely came into Ga by way of algodel, the Portuguese word for cotton? Aligidon, cotton. Aspatre. Aspatre. Blofoke. Shoe. English blofoke. Shoe. Shi anioleake. Aspatre. Ishishije okɛɛ shiblofo wiemo niji sapato lo. Did you know that the etymology of the Ga word aspatre, the word for shoe, is Portuguese from sapato, sapato, aspatre, aspatre in Ga. Blofoke, shoe. Akɔɔble. Gameke. Akɔɔble. English blofoke copper. Anioleake. Akɔɔble. Ishishije okɛɛ shiblofo wiemo niji cobre lo. Did you know that the etymology of the Ga word Akɔɔble is Portuguese from cobre? Akɔɔble. Akɔɔble. Brodo. Ke bodo bodo. Gake brodo. Ani oleake Brodo. Ke bodobodoe. Ishishije kinka blofo wiemo niji broad lo. Did you know that the etymology of the Ga word Brodo is actually Dutch from broad? Gake Brodo. Allo bodobodo. Kinkan blofo ke broad. English blofo ke bread. The Ga word Brodo for bread is actually Dutch from broad. Kɔmi. Allo otim. Kɔmi. Allo otim. Anioleake Kɔmi be klen ni game chele jotim. Mekumeke ake Kɔmi wiemo shishinje English blofo wiemo niji cornmeal allo cornmeal. Meke ni gorgeous beg bagan ni wiemo bachaki ke jotim ke ba Kɔmi. Shije na kankura. Ano kwali eji Kɔmi ga wiemo ni. Kon kemi no he wole ke ona Kɔmi. Momode no kon ni omi o fine kata. Some think that the etymology of the Ga word Kɔmi is English from cornmeal or cornmeal, but it's a Gajisbergian guess. Kɔmi, the Ga staple dish made of fermented corn, is actually a combination of original Ga words, kon and mi, the Ga words for bite and swallow. So now you know not to chew your Kenkey. Thank me later. Kakalika. Kakalika. Anyuliake. Kakalika wiemo di nche. Ishishije dem blofo wiemo niji kakela. Did you know that the etymology of the Ga word kakalika is Danish from kakelak? Ganke kakalika. Dem blofo ke kakelak. English blofo ke cockroach. Kakalika. Sabolai. Anyuleake. Sabolai wiemo di nche. Ishishije oke ishi blofo wiemo niji sebola. Did you know that the etymology of the Ga word sabolai, onion, is Portuguese from cebola? Gake sabolai. Oke ishi blofo ke cebola. English blofo ke onion. Sabolai. Ani olewie mweko krume. Neba je gawie momli alo. Ngma ye plama shishi. Bohu obaanyɛ ni okɛɛ. Biane isho no. Obaariega. Oyubaladon. Oyubaladon. Shida akɔɔble. Aha. Afroliteracies Foundation. Kefi ngmawe afroliteracies@gmail.com. Nota oise. www.afroliteracies.net. Ke @afroliteracies Foundation. Ye Instagram ke Twitter. Bohu obaanyɛ okɛɛ. Bohu obaanyɛ okɛɛ. Biane isho no. Mariega.